Mommy, pretend I'm your dog.
He just wants to run. Look at Come here. Come here, sweetie. Come on. Yay!
Where's the little egg?
Puppy.
Come here, puppy. I know you're going to hate this. Come here.
Oh. He's Jumper. Oh.
No, hold it, come here. Hold it.
Is it too tight?
No, you got to hold him. You want to hold him?
Sure.